So we ran into a situation.
Hey, how's it going, guys? Sorry I didn't get to record most of the videos, but today we have an Edge, Quantum Edge 3 with a Logic 3 joystick controller. I'm going to be dismantling this chair to show you guys how I prepare this chair to have parts to sell online. Thanks. Alright guys, so here I'm just explaining to you that when I put in the two batteries in there, the chair didn't want to work. And so I'm going to go ahead and replace the module to troubleshoot to see if it was because of the module. I'll tell you right now, it's not because of the module.
Alright, got the new module. This is the CTL 143978, model 1760 3509. So it's a direct replacement. Let's see if it works.
Like I stated earlier, it wasn't because of the module. I went ahead and also checked the body harness, and it wasn't that either. And I found out that the issue was actually the batteries. Now, I did hook both batteries up onto a load tester, and they both read good. However, I ruled out that the issue was the permobil battery on the ground, if you see there. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward us to that part. That way we don't see all the work that I put into it for no reason.
Alright, after some try and error, turned out the batteries were bad. We got the batteries in, and now we're going to test everything here. Batteries are in. Brake is on. Let's swap that brake there. There. Okay, now let's test. Device exchanged. It's added. Alright. Well, everything looks good. Let's test the seats. So we know the actuator works for that one, not for the seat. We know the tilt works. Now let's try the eye level. Ooh, look at this. Eye level is in working condition. These switches here. Okay, maybe the switches don't work. Usually the switches work. What happened is they're you just gotta move them a little more aggressively. There, see? You just push a little harder. They will work. Okay, so this fender light does work. Where's that button at? Yep, works. This side is dead. Whoa, look what happened here. Alright.
So after conducting general testing of all the accessories on this chair, most of the part of the video is just me disassembling the chair one piece at a time.
Not even concerned. Okay. all this is going to be coming. It's connected to the eye level. It's going to be coming with the eye level as a unit. Okay, let's cut that piece. It's just a zip tie. Just gonna move this piece up. Using this piece here. Twist it out of the way. Now this piece here. That's out. Strange thing. Never seen it like that. Just support this here, huh? Weird. No. I'm gonna use that. Oh, yeah. Just like that. Actually, this comes out. Now it might spring out. We'll see. There's tension there. It's not. That wasn't too bad. I'm gonna keep all this. Every little piece there. And it doesn't matter how you do it. Two. As long as you get it out. Oh, looks like that one's stuck. The back plate. So we know that this will come out. The score. Perfect. Oh, 2B. Yeah, better. Just use a half inch. We'll have an adapter, but. Fun, huh? So much more fun doing that. There. Both goes in there. Now we shoot out these guys. And wrist line. Tension. So much faster. Alright, motor's out. Look at that bad boy. Okay. Keeping all of the brake units together. The motor bolts together. Now let's take this out. This is a half inch size. So where's my half inch? Alright guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to be making the second part of me washing all the parts that I just disassembled. If you haven't so already, please subscribe and like this video. If you like contents like this, again, please comment and let me know. All right. Also, if you need any wheelchair parts, feel free to visit my website and find your parts there. All right. Once again, thank you very much, and we see you guys in the next video.